It's Barrington Levy's first collab with Capleton. Add Shaggy and you have something for the ladies. Pretty in Pink.
Yo, King Shango alongside Barrington Levy. Shaggy! That one, mad.
Three greats, one track. Pretty in Pink.
All that girls will look pretty in the pink. Look on your belly flat and supple like milk.
A summer song with old school authenticity.
Think.
Where dancehall is going right now is going out of proportion. I don't know where it's going. It's not supposed to be something that you can't play to the kids and you have to have a bag of bleeps in it and all of that. It's supposed to put on a dancehall track on the turntable.
Not to sit down and depend on the man.
Don't have to say, that's rude, you know.
Don't you laugh?
The broader than Broadway and under Miss Sense's singer pitching his song idea to peers. Capleton and Shaggy bringing vibes.
My girl, me say me love your looks, me love your shit.
I never really do a song with Capleton before. I did songs with Shaggy, but Capleton as a fireman and my bona fide brethren, I say, you know what, fire, we need to do a song. And this is the song.
Epic, Capleton, Barrington Levy, Shaggy. And the song is powerful. When you're glorifying the ladies, you know what I mean, in terms of them character, in terms of them physique, in terms of them looks, you know what I mean, it must connect. I love sound, you know what I mean? You know, I love different phrases, you know what I mean? If you notice Capleton song, I try to sound like the rhythm, you know what I mean? That's why I always in sync with the beat and people always like listen to the version. Whenever I listen to the version, it's like them I hear my part of the song. It's like them I hear my song, you understand what I say? I actually say what the beat I say.
Dancehall in 2019 moving to a different beat. Today's DJs doing their own thing. But Barrington Levy with concerns about lyrical impact on impressionable minds.
Society is trying to fight against people killing each other and then you're trying to highlight guns and, you know what I mean, kill that and kill this. No, it's not supposed to be like that. So if I did have their rhythm that they're singing and say they're running the place, my lyrical content would definitely be different from what's going on now. And I hope I'm saying this, I'm not trying to hurt anyone, but we need to clean up something that we built and have it going on for the future. We need them to take care of it and nurture it, that, you know, I mean, can prepare for the next generation after them.
But some of these kids now who are running the place will say to you, Barrington, you're the past. We run the place now. You can't tell us what to talk about.
They can say that because that's their mouth talking. But for me, I am not the thing of the past. I'm present right now in 2019. I'm here. I'm right here, and I'm sure they're not blind. And put me on the rhythm that you're on and saying you're running the place, and I'll have a different outlook on what you're saying, lyrical wise.
And nobody has to tell you what key to sing in.
No, nobody has to, you know, and definitely you don't have to put me on no attitude. I mean, if it's he, you know what I mean? The thing is, I know what an A minor is or an A sharp or G sharp or B flat. I mean, I know. You know what I mean? So at the end of the day, you can say I'm a thing of the past. No, I am not a thing of the past because I'm living right now. I'm here. Put me on a stage and I'm still gonna sound like in the past, in the present. So, there you go.
And there they go, on Pretty in Pink.
You're not a bad yes, girl, you're not a walking.
They're trying a different genre and it will work for them because, you know, I youth them and, you know, we still glorify the youth them with whatever they're doing musically. You understand what I mean? But at the end of the day, they still have to appreciate the authentic part of the music that they come and see, you know what I mean? That set the foundation.
And talking about foundation,
We've been there from the days of lifting up, you know, sound box, you know what I mean, going to dance and sound chuck, you know, enough man ever got through that DJ and a sound system. Remember, you know, we sing for the ladies, we sing for the rude boy, and we sing for the Rasta man, we sing for the roots people. You know, you have to engage the audience, you know what I mean? Your delivery have to be on point, you know what I mean? And it have to be authentic. And this is one thing that you have to know. It is not all about the hype and the popularity and the publicity and the fame. It's all about the love for the music. You have to have that passion for the music. You can't do it just for the money.
but you understand that people want to be rich.
Of course.
These kids want to be rich.
Of course, but riches don't come overnight. You know, that's why people go out of the ways to get rich, you know what I mean? If you remember, I used to push Ankiat in the street of Kingston, who know that? I used to work at Caymanas Park, I used to work at Free Zone. The last place I work is Lisa's Avenue at the kids store, how much people know that?
What's the main ingredient missing from the music scene right now?
we need to go back to our originality. You know what I mean? Jamaicans are known for creating our sound, musically speaking, our culture, like reggae music. You know what I mean? Like live musician go in the studio and play, and an artist can go up there and sing, and they say, okay, he's singing in A sharp or he's singing in G man, and bring back that vibes. You know what I mean? We actually need to see man and woman dancing together like before, and not a virgin take up a lady and run into a wall and go into a tree and jump out and then slip the back and all of that. You know what I mean? We need back that vibes, definitely.
My girl, you put your young picture in a book, sparkling personality, every eye.
I see some little foreign artists taking up reggae music, doing reggae music and playing in stadiums and arenas while we are playing in some little clubs and struggle to even fill it, and these guys are selling out venues singing our original music. It's not a good look.
You have to remember simplicity is the key, you know what I mean? That have to be a part of the thing, and don't make it seem like, you know, the world revolves around you and it's all about you, and you know what I mean, you never come see nobody and you never emulate, and you understand what I mean? So when you see a man shine, you must give him his glory, you know what I mean? Talent is talent, you know what I mean?
Pretty in Pink by 3 names with lots of that.
You know, so we always blaze.
Love the way how you look.
My thing is just straight across the board. I make music for everyone, you know what I mean? I make music for he, she, and the old lady, you know what I mean? I don't have any bleeps or anything in my thing, and it's just a song for everyone, really. I'm so excited about this song, man. I'm like, Pretty in Pink.
I'ma say me love the little cute in your face. I'ma say me love the little wire in your waist. Every man dream for you in a dumb place.